So yeah, now we have the good number of people, so we can start it. So in today's session, we are going to see the basic POC that how we can do it. Okay. So first of all, I will suggest everyone. Okay, go with the LangChain. Okay. So what is about the LangChain? What is everything? So let me share my screen. Okay. So and we'll see. Let me know once it's visible. Is visible to everyone? Yeah, that's good. Okay, so LangChain. Okay, so why LangChain? Okay, so first of all, there's only like 2 to 3 frameworks are there: LangChain versus Llama Index versus Haystack, and the last one is GenAI Stack. Okay, by the AI Planet. Okay, so they are the four, or like more than will be there, but the most like Haystack also is not the like I don't use it, so I don't able to comment on it. I use this three, so I like all the three. That's totally depend on your use case. Okay, so that's why. So let's start with the LangChain, how you can do it. Okay, so there is a LangChain website is there. Okay, so we'll open the LangChain website. So everything you can see who are using what, how they are using. So there are a lot of things. We will not go into that direction. We'll directly go on to the documents. Okay, now there will be the question why we cannot be use Flask or Django or any other framework. Can anyone able to answer this question? Why we have to need the another framework? That can be the interview question. So why there is a need of the another framework? Anyone? Please go ahead. In chat you can reply. Why we cannot do the this GenAI application using Flask, Django? No idea. Okay, what about the Sumit? I think you are already working on it, so you should know. Any guesses you can do? LangChain specifically, we need something to integrate with LLMs. LangChain specifically designed for AI. I think Streamlit will work. Okay, so I will give everyone's questions answer here. We need something to integrate with the LLM. Yeah, this is somehow 50% is right. Okay, it's 50% is right. Why we need the LangChain? Okay, now Amanya, LangChain is specifically designed for AI. Again, 30 to 40%. I think Streamlit will work. See, who is there? Mugu. Mugu. So here you come up the very good thing that that's give the others like understanding about the Streamlit. So guys, there are a lot of the frameworks out there. Okay, Flask. Okay, this is one. Then Fast. Okay, .ai, Django. Okay, then Streamlit, as mentioned by the Muku. Okay, then we have the LangChain. Okay, then we have the GenAI stack. Yeah, Chainlit is also there. Yeah. It will be have T work to start with. Say LangChain provides a basic structure which we can use and train our agent. Apart from agent, there are a lot of things that we can do. But yeah, answer is nice. So there are a lot of the frameworks here. So I will give you Flask and Fast is a Python web development framework. Django is also the web development framework. Okay, so simple web development or backend development, not we can say the only web development, we can do the backend development. Streamlit, Muku, it is a framework that has been designed to build a web applications without going into the deeper of the structure, or we can say data science applications. Okay, so that's thanks a lot, Muku, to just give me this one, because I have to explore, I have to give you the short on this one as well. Yeah, see, fast way to build and share the data apps. So Streamlit is built for this only reason. There's nothing reason is there. Faster way to build and share the data apps. Okay, see, import Streamlit as st write my first app, hello world, done. See, simple, straight, right forward. There is a nothing HTML, JavaScript, CSS you have to do. See how the things are easy in Streamlit. So that's why Streamlit is useful. What actually happened, I will tell you a story. Okay, what actually yeah, see, deployment is also very much easy. So I will tell you a story, very nice story it is. So what actually happened when you are working for a data science. Okay, so in that company, in that sorry, when you are in the sorry when you are in the data science field. Okay, so you focus on to building the data science model, deep learning models, and you have to showcase all these things. If you will not able to showcase it, if you will put into the your system only, there is no use of it. So that's why we need something where we can just put our backend or the model with the UI and make the integration of both of it. Now what will happen, data science have to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, which is again very tough. It is not easy. So that's why there are the lot of the like problems has been happening. So that's why Streamlit come into the place and suggested, do your Python code. With the help of the basic Python code, you can create a application, you can create a easily application. Okay, the same way Gradio is one more is there. Okay, so with the help of the simple documentation is there. Okay, and with the help of the simple Python code, you can do simple data application, very much easy, very much easy. See, I will give you the glance. Okay, that's the one thing that I have to go components. Yeah, here's the components. Okay, API reference text element. Okay, see, this is a markdown that I have to use. Now what I have to do, very simple it is. See, import st.markdown. This is markdown, 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 multi, markdown, everything is markdown. See, now what will happen if I will do the same thing in the HTML, okay, and CSS, I have to do lot of things, a lot of things I have to do. It will not easy and right easy and straightforward. The text area, if you want to do this text area, then you have to do a lot of other things. Okay, see, this is a text area that you can do. So that's why Streamlit is here. Now Streamlit is giving you the UI for your data application. Instead of you can do the your HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, now just come with the Gradio. Okay, Gradio is the same one. Okay, see, build and share delightful machine learning application, straightforward. Okay, see, here it is, Airbnb map you want, chatbot streaming, diffusion faces, there are a lot of things that you can do. So both are same, both are there like pros and cons. Okay, that you can use, it depends on your use case. Now I think you able to get to know what is like it's about it. Need to learn no need to learn, yes, no need to learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You can do with the Streamlit and Gradio, and I prefer go with your use case first, analyze your use case and see the components, what the components are you are looking for and what the components are available on the framework. So basis of that you able to choose a good framework. Okay, got it, everyone on same page? Anyone have any question then? Yes. Okay, Muku, now you got it, buddy? I think Muku is here or left. Oh, I think he's here. Yes sir. Okay, thank you buddy, thanks for Streamlit. Yeah, thanks, I like your spirit. Now come to the LangChain. Okay, so LangChain, yeah, So LangChain is a special kind of the framework which is built for only to work with the large language models. So you can see on the screen as well. Language is a framework for developing application powered by the language model. Okay, so it is designed only related to the large language models because the Flask and other things are not relevant. Okay, they are not very much good. So that's why LangChain is come into the picture and just putting everything into the one umbrella, and we are getting from there very basic things. You have to just call the things and you are good to go. Now see how we can start off it. Okay, we will not go into the like architecture and all these things. Okay, getting start. So we'll go with the direct. Okay, so installation. So first of all, pip install langchain. It is a Python package that you have to do. Langchain community is also there. Okay, so that you can do. One second. Okay, LangChain community is also there, so we don't need anything. We need only the single thing, which is the pip install LangChain. Okay, after that just scroll down, keep on scroll down. One second. Okay, now quick start. Okay, setup. Jupyter notebook is there, installation already done. If you need something else, now LangChain OpenAI. Currently the everyone is using the OpenAI, so you have to do LangChain OpenAI. So OpenAI has been integrated the LangChain, so you don't have to install the or import the OpenAI. Okay, so you can do directly pip install LangChain OpenAI. After that, export OpenAI API key. What that means? So you have a two option. The first option is that you can directly put the OpenAI key into your function, or you can just put this command in your terminal, and after that that will be assigned as an environment variable, and after that you have to just give the environment variable name into your code and it will take from there, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, after that you have to initialize from LangChain OpenAI, from chat OpenAI. This is a simple straightforward chat OpenAI. That means I want to do the chat, so this is a function, so this is a function, this is a variable. Okay, and you can, if you prefer not to set environment variable, you can directly pass OpenAI name parameter like this. In that case you already assigned it. Okay, you already assigned here, so you can do this. If you don't assign it, okay, you don't want to do this thing, then what you can do, you can directly put it here, OpenAI key. Okay, so that's the simple. Then once you have been install and initialize LLM of your choice, okay, then LLM of your choice, that means OpenAI. I can do LLM of the Llama. Okay, I can do Mistral, I can do anything. Okay, for now we'll go for the OpenAI and that key. Then LLM dot invoke. So I will go and invoke it, and this is a like one more thing that we have to like have a look on it. Chat prompt template from message. So this is a system, this is a user. So what the prompt I am giving, you are the world class technical documentation writer. So this is a prompt that I have been given. Now whatever the query will come, so it will behave according to that. So this is the basic definition that we are giving. After that we have to invoke. So how we can invoke? Chain equal to prompt pipe LLM. Like pipe, that means or prompt or LLM, you can give anything. Okay, here then chain dot invoke input. How can LangSmith help with testing? So it will go there and invoke this and you will get the output. So like this you will get an output. Okay, so this is a basic one. Okay, now retrieval chain is there. There are a lot of things out there, lot of things there. Okay, we will now go into the deeper and deeper. Okay, we'll come up with the basic one. Okay, so give me a bit. Let me open a Jupyter notebook, so that will wait conventional. Yeah, 1 second. Let me open any notebook. So you can search like me also. See, LangChain, okay, Google Colab, introduction, open AI. Simple, right? Okay. So see, LangChain, here it is. So like this, you can also do the same thing. If you don't do the code, you don't want to go into the deeper and deeper, you can just directly go on the Google and you can search about it. Straightforward. See, LangChain is already installed. We will install it, run anyway. Okay. We don't want the Hugging Face. We don't go with the Hugging Face API. Okay, for now we will go with the OpenAI. Okay, for now we don't want the Hugging Face. So installing. Yeah, it's done. Now we don't want the Hugging Face, that we'll see in the like later part. So now I will copy the code of the LangChain. Okay, so here I will copy it. So you can see the key will do soon. Don't worry, I have a key. Okay, before that I have to install this as well. Hope you remember about this. Oh yeah, now we can generate as well. Yeah, that's I forget. But yeah, we don't go with this. LangChain OpenAI we are installing. This is the key that we need. Yeah, let me copy the other code.